Now we will see students modifying a chart. Once your chart appear in Excel, there are many ways to modify the way it looks and its location. There are so many ways to modify the way it looks and its location. A few ways are described below. In all cases, you have to select the chart first. In all cases, what you have to do? First of all, you have to select the chart first. To see the context sensitive ribbons, design, layout and format. This you have to see. Now see, changing the type of chart. You can change the chart type to present your data in a different way. For example, you can change a column chart to a pie chart. You can change the column chart to a pie chart. Now see here, changing the type of chart is shown in this diagram. Okay. Now see here it has changed into column chart to a pie chart. Okay. See here, marks, Hindi, English, math. This is the pie chart. Okay. How to change? Some steps are there. Step 1, right click on the chart and click on change chart type option. First of all, you have to right click on the chart and click on change chart type option. Step number 2, select any chart type of your choice. जो भी कोई चार्ट की टाइप आपको सिलेक्ट करना हो तो आप उस पर क्या कर सकते हो, क्लिक कर सकते हो. हियर वी आर सिलेक्टिंग पाई चार्ट. इधर क्या किया है, एक पाई चार्ट सिलेक्ट किया है. जैसे आप लाइन चार्ट भी आप क्या कर सकते हो, सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो, या फिर आप बार चार्ट सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो. ओके, लाइक दिस. नाउ सी हियर, योर कॉलम चार्ट विल बी इमीडिएटली कन्वर्टेड इनटू पाई चार्ट. जो भी कुछ कॉलम चार्ट है वो काय में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, पाई चार्ट में. लाइक दिस इज शोन इन द दिस पिक्चर. ओके, नाउ सी हियर, नाउ सी स्टूडेंट्स, टू चेंज द डिफॉल्ट कलर ऑफ ए चार्ट. डिफॉल्ट कलर चेंज करने के लिए, to change the default color of a chart, step number 1, select the chart whose color you want to change. On the page layout tab in the themes group, click color. Okay, where this is on the page layout tab in the theme group में page layout, themes group, click colors. Now see step number 2, click create new theme color. Click on the create new theme color. Click the button of the theme color element that you want to change. जो भी कुछ कलर आपको चेंज करना है उस पर क्या करना पड़ेगा आपको, क्लिक. नाउ सी स्टेप नंबर 3, अंडर थीम कलर सिलेक्ट द कलर्स दैट यू वांट टू यूज इन द क्रिएट न्यू थीम कलर डायलॉग बॉक्स. अंडर सैंपल यू कैन सी द इफेक्ट ऑफ द चेंजेस दैट यू मेक. ओके, नाउ सी स्टेप नंबर 4, इन द नेम बॉक्स टाइप एन एप्रोप्रिएट नेम फॉर द न्यू थीम कलर. You have to give a theme color name. Okay, in the name box type an appropriate name for the new theme color, and that afterwards step number 5, save. Okay, now see here, it is the color theme. You have to select one color and then afterwards you have to give the name, and afterwards you can click on save. Like this you have to change the default color of a chart. चार्ट का कलर इसमें चेंज हो जाएगा. Now see, adding data to a chart. Now we have to add the data to a chart. Whenever you make changes to a data reference in your chart, the chart data is automatically updated. But you can also add new data to the chart after creating a chart. After also you can add the data to a, after creating a chart, new data you can add. In this example, we have a column chart that shows 2014 and 2015 quarterly sales data, and we have just added a new data series to the worksheet for 2016. Select the data series till 2015. What you have to do, you have to select the data series till 2015. Note that the chart does not yet display the 2016 data series. What you have to note, that the chart does not yet display the 2016 data series. Now see here students, step number 1, on the worksheet drag the sizing handles to include the new data. On the worksheet, this is the worksheet. Okay, in this at the back side, this is the worksheet. What you have to do, on the worksheet drag the sizing handles to include the new data. The step number 2, the chart is updated automatically and shows the new data series you added. जो भी आपने न्यू डाटा सीरीज ऐड की उधर वो क्या बन जाए, अपडेट हो जाएगा. इधर जो पीछे आपको दिखाई दे रहा है ना, ये क्या है, वर्कशीट है स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, एट द बैक साइड ऑफ द चार्ट दिस इज द worksheet. Question number 1 2 3 4 here has written 2014 15. Okay, this is the worksheet and this is the graph. Like this the steps are there, adding data to a chart. Now see, deleting data from a chart. Okay, how to delete data from a chart. Now see here, step number 1, select a range that you want to delete from a chart. What you have to do, you have to select a range that you want to delete from a chart. Here we are selecting the row क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. ओके, ये जो आपको पिक्चर में दिखाई दे रहा है ये सिलेक्ट की गई है. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 सिलेक्ट की गई. स्टेप नंबर 2, प्रेस द डिलीट की टू डिलीट द रो. आपको क्या करना है, डिलीट की प्रेस करना है, ये रो डिलीट हो जाए. स्टेप नंबर 3, कंटेंट रिलेटेड टू दैट रो विल बी ऑटोमेटिकली डिलीटेड. जो भी आपने सिलेक्ट किया है वो क्या हो जाएगा, ऑटोमेटिकली डिलीट हो जाएगा. ओके, नाउ सी स्टूडेंट्स, इंसर्टिंग स्पार्क लाइन्स इन ए चार्ट. Now what you have to do, inserting spark lines in a chart. Spark line is a small size chart that can fit in a single cell. It is a new feature in Excel 2010. Okay, now see step number 1, click on the cell where you want the spark lines to appear. Students, spark line means what? A spark line is a very small line chart. ये क्या है, very small line chart है. It presents the general shape of the variation in small measurement. Also it can present general shape of the variation in small measurement. Now see step number 1, click on the cell where you want the spark lines to appear. Then step number 2, click on the insert tab, click on column under the spark line group, create spark line dialog box will appear. Okay, then afterwards step number 3, click on the icon given along the data range option. Click on the icon given along the data range option. Then afterwards select range in sheet and that will automatically will display. To create spark line box, here we are selecting range A3 to D3. What range we have select, A3 to D3. Step number 4, press enter. The location range cell will automatically be filled according to data range selected. You are selecting the A3 to D3. Okay, आपने कौन सी रेंज सिलेक्ट की है, A3 to D3. Then afterwards step number 4, press enter. The location range cell will automatically fill according to data range. Now see step number 5, click on OK. Afterwards you have to click on OK. Spark lines appears in the selected cell. With proper use of spark lines, data analysis is quicker and more direct to the point. Now see here, you are looking in this chart. The graph is shown here. Okay, and all the cells are typed on the worksheet. Question number 1 2 3 and till 4. Question number 1 2 3 and 4. Now see how to create a pivot table. How to create a pivot table. Now see students, pivot table is a table. Pivot table is a table of data of more extensive table. Is a technique in data processing. It is a technique in data processing. Excel 2010 has option of creating pivot table. As name implies, it pivots down the existing data table and try to make user understand the crux of it. We will use an Excel 2010 worksheet. What we will use? We will use an Excel 2010 worksheet filled with the simple sample data with 4 columns. Software, sales, platform, month as shown in the picture below. Okay, now see here, one worksheet is there. ये सैम्पल डाटा है. वर्कशीट में जो कुछ भी आपको दिखाई दे रहा है ये क्या है, एक सैम्पल डाटा है विथ 4 कॉलम्स. ओके, हाउ मेनी कॉलम्स आर देयर, 4. which are the software, sales, platform, month as shown in the picture below. ये क्या है, 4 कॉलम से जो भी आप पिक्चर में दिखाई दे रहा है आपको, वो क्या है, सैंपल डाटा है। ओके, here software are there, inventory, word editor, presentation tool, media player. These are the software. Sales 200, 90, 40, $200, $90. Platform net, PHP net. Okay, month January, February, March, April, like this. January, February, April, August, September. These are the month. Now see, some are the steps are shown here. Step number 1, select any cell in the table and click on insert pivot table option. What you have to do? Step number 1, what is this? What is that? Select any cell in the table and click on insert pivot table option. Afterward, step number 2, create pivot table dialog box. Create pivot table dialog box will open up. Excel fills in data range from first to last, selecting column and rows. Finally, choose worksheet to save the pivot table report. Click OK to proceed further. Okay, you have to click OK to proceed further. Now see step number 3, pivot table will appear. Pivot table will appear. This is the pivot table. You are looking in this sheet. Okay, pivot table. To build a report, choose fields from the pivot field list. Okay, now see pivot table will appear. Now we will populate this table with data fields which is being present at the right side of the Excel window. Right side of the Excel window it has been present. Step number 4, we start off with enabling platform field and then other fields. Excel start filling cells in a sequence. You want to populate the platform field will come first in the pivot table as shown in the picture. Now see this is the row labels. Okay, these are the row labels. All are there, net, April, presentation tool, सेल्स, ये सब क्या है, पिवट टेबल में किए गए. स्टेप नंबर 4, व्हाट इज दैट? वी स्टार्ट ऑफ विद enabling platform field and then other field. Excel start filling cells. Excel will start the filling the cell in a sequence. These are the sequence. You want to populate the platform field will come first in the pivot table as shown in the picture. ये जो भी बताया गया है ये क्या है, the platform field will come first in the pivot as shown in the picture. ये क्या है, फिलिंग सेल्स जो एक्सेल में सीक्वेंस में टाइप किए गए. ओके, नाउ सी हाउ टू क्रिएट ए पाइवेट चार्ट. पाइवेट चार्ट कैसे क्रिएट करते हैं उसके कुछ स्टेप्स है. टू क्रिएट ए चार्ट यूजिंग द पाइवेट टेबल क्रिएटेड जस्ट नाउ, फॉलो द गिवन स्टेप्स. स्टेप नंबर 1, गो टू इंसर्ट टैब. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू गो टू इंसर्ट टैब. Click on column and select an appropriate chart type. You have to click on column and select an appropriate chart type. In this example, we will create simple 3D column chart. In this, what we will create? Simple 3D column chart. Now see this is the table. Excel will create chart out of your data. Now resize it for a better view. देखने के लिए आपको इसको resize करना पड़ेगा. This is the created table. Okay, created pivot table. Now see, filter a pivot chart. To filter a pivot chart, execute the following step. How to filter a pivot chart? Step number 1, open the pivot chart just created. First of all, you have created pivot chart. You have to open that chart. Step number 2, click on the month tab button given below the chart. Then afterwards, you have to click on the month tab button. Okay, you have to given below the chart. Click on the month tab button given below the chart. Step number 3, unmark those fields which you don't want to appear in the chart. Unmark those fields which you don't want to appear in chart. And step number 4, repeat step 2 and 3 for software button also. You have to repeat that step 2 and 3 for software button. Also your filtered chart will now look like this. उसके बाद में आपका चार्ट कैसा दिखाई देगा, जैसा पिक्चर में आपको दिखाई दे रहा है. ओके, Here all the data has been typed, okay, in the pivot table chart. Afterwards it will look like this.